Stick around to see 8 cute and very unique DIY crafts that I came up with that you can make your father this year for Father's Day. And I know you better stick around too, because you ain't get him nothing yet, you little procrastinator. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I'm so glad you decided to stick around on this Father's Day Eve, because you ain't get your daddy nothing and you need me. I'm Cheryl, the activity author, by the way. In case you haven't met me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, stick around because you know you want to. Anyways, our first craft we're going to do is the Splat. What did I call it? Splat Dad Craft? I just be making up my titles. Anyway, so what you're going to need for this is some paint and some water and a paintbrush. Now, what I am doing is diluting this paint by adding some water. Now, you don't want to add too much water. You add too much water, it's not going to look pretty. It's not going to have enough pigment and you won't see the paint. So I suggest you add like a tablespoon of water and just keep adding it until you get the right consistency. And the way you know is if you lift the brush up and the brush is dripping, then it's good consistency. If it's really runny, then you added too much water. So you just keep flicking it and splatting it until you get these cool designs, then cut it out. And then you can do whatever you want with it. So I'm just going to put it on a poster right now, but you guys could also add some pom-pom balls. You can add some glitter. You can add some anything you want, sparkles, just, make it unique. Now, this one was really cool. I basically wanted to, honor the grilling fathers out there, because fathers like to get on the grill with their father sandals, and I thought we could just go ahead and highlight and showcase this. So I got a cup, I painted it black, I cut it in half, and it kind of looks like a grill, right? It looks like a grill. I'm gonna add a spatula, and I'm gonna add my dad is a grill master. Yay! Don't y'all always love my titles? I do. So you can make this card, write something heartfelt into it, and give this to dad, and he will love it. Now, don't just give it to him by itself. You got to give him with something else, because he's not going to want just a card. But anyway, so now we have this cute idea. So if your dad likes puppets, you can make him, and by using a paper towel roll. So all I did was use black paint and white paint to make his shirt, his high top, because he got a serious Will Smith high top, and I'm just drawing his face with a Sharpie, and then I'm gonna add a tie. So this is dedicated to all my white collar dads out there working hard every day in the office, making it happen for the family. Go ahead and top it off with some googly eyes and you're done. And if you have fun making this one, you can turn dad into a superhero where he jumps into the phone booth and turns into super dad. Great concept, right? With number 2, we don't need a lot for this. So I use paper towel roll, I use a mouthwash cup, I use a styrofoam square, and an old used Chick-fil-A cup. So actually it's not used, but it's an old Chick-fil-A cup. I got this square from Dollar Tree. Everything pretty much came from Dollar Tree except the paper towel roll. I had that around the house, and like I said, I just had this styrofoam cup lying around. I'm gonna paint some white on this to just kind of help bleed out those red letters. This video isn't sponsored by Chick-fil-A, by the way. So I painted it yellow, and I just wanted to have this nice trophy golden look. But you can keep it, yellow if you want to. You don't have to put glitter. I just wanted to because I love glitter. I know some people hate glitter. There's also glitter pins or glitter gel, so keep that in mind. But I wanted it to have a nice royal look, so I put glitter on the paint before it dried, and I am hot gluing the cup to the paper towel roll to make it a tall trophy, and then I glue the paper towel roll to the mouthwash cup. And then I just hot glued everything on top of the styrofoam square cube thing that I'm doing right now. And then I'm adding more glitter and paint where needed. I took a construction paper, I made a semicircle, and then I'm cutting out like a C shape. So cut out a C shape, and that is the handles. You can also use pipe cleaner for this. I just like the paper towel look better. And I'm gonna cut this in half so that way I have two letter C's. And then I'm gonna hot glue this to the cup, and I am all done. We are all done. Which one do y'all prefer out of the Superman? Do y'all like the popsicle stick or the paper towel roll? Comment down below for me. Now this one is fun, and I definitely recommend this for the 2-year-olds and up because they can pretty much do whatever they want and it's still gonna look cute. So go ahead and start out with a piece of cardboard, cut it into a tie, basically just cut it into a fish because that's what a tie looks like to me, and have your kids decorate it. My daughter decorated it, and I added adjectives to describe her dad, and we're going to make this a wearable tie. So we're gonna add a paper clip by hot gluing it on it. And you can also attach string so he can tie it around his neck. So then dad has to love wearing this all day on Father's Day, so we get to embarrass him a little bit. But he won't be embarrassed because it'll be kind of cute. So we'll love looking at it. Anyway, this is a nice concept. So we're going to make him a giant ribbon because he is in first place always. So here's that paper again from that shaving cream craft. Did y'all see it yet? If not, click the card up top. Actually, the card is back in craft number 7. So go back there and click the card if you haven't already. Anyway, so we're going to make the legs of this ribbon, and I'm going to accordion fold it. You do not have to do that. You can just, if you want to have legs for a ribbon, you don't even need legs for your ribbon. But if you want them, you can just use regular paper and just cut like a little, I call it rabbit ears. Cut the rabbit ears in it. So we're still working on the leg. I'll get it. Just make sure you do the entire sheet, and when you're done, you're done. Okay, so now we're going to work on the actual ribbon this time. So I'm taking some more of this shaving cream marbled paper, that's what you call it, and I'm going to make 3 about my hand width, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but you can make it any size you want in accordion style like I'm doing. And then once you finish accordion style, go ahead and fold it in half like this. That's what we want because we're going to make a circular ribbon. Okay, so I'm done with my 3 pieces, and you can basically tape. So what you're going to do is tape the ends together. So when you fold it in half, tape it so that it stays like a half of a fan, or you can use hot glue, whichever you prefer. Hot glue, you're gonna have to hold it a little long until it dries, but when you tape or glue everything together, it should look like this. Then you can get a construction paper and write whatever you want. Number 1 dad, best eater, best griller, best hugger, whatever your dad does the best. Just make it work. Be original, be fun. He'll love it. This is the rabbit ears that I'm doing on the ribbon part of my, the legs part of the ribbon. I took a piece of construction paper, glued it to the back, attached a clothing pin. What do you call that? Yeah, a clothing pin. And then you can just stick it to dad's shirt and make him wear it all day. Isn't this cute though? This is really pretty. I'm excited about how this turned out, especially with the marble paper. Y'all should try that craft. It's very fun and very easy. All right, let's move on to the last craft. No, this is the next to the last. Sorry, guys. So this one was really cool. The handsome crown. Handsome. Get it? Yeah, I came up with this too, but I wouldn't be shocked if it's, not something anybody else has ever thought of, but I thought it was cute when I thought about it. So I'm just basically tracing my daughter's closed hand, and she loves it. Little kids love when you trace their hand. And now I'm going to fold it in half so I can have 2 of this pattern, because you know some people's heads are big and you might need two patterns. So cut this out, and if you fold it in half, you only need to cut it once, because yeah, do the math. And then after you cut it out, you're going to get a circular ring. I found a empty diaper pail ring that I just had around the house that the kids were playing with, and I said we're going to use this to make a crown. I don't know why, because my daughter likes putting it on my head like a crown, so I said we're going to use this to make a crown. So first I'm going to let her decorate this beautiful hand print art that we just did, and then I'm going to glue it to this ring, and I'm done. Look how easy these crafts are, guys. I know y'all got to do at least one. Please don't forget to take pictures and tag me. My Instagram is right there below. And don't forget to like this video if you haven't liked it already, because you love these ideas that I am giving you. And the last craft of the day is one that I made up, and I really hope nobody else has done this idea, because I really made this up. This is original. This is a activity author original. So take an egg carton. Don't throw your egg cartons away. They're always great art crafts, and you can turn them into stuff. So paint your egg carton any color you want, any design. My daughter is doing a great job. I'm just helping her get in the small areas that she can't reach, but she's taking over for the 99 and the 2000s. So paint all of it, because what's going to happen is this egg carton is going to double as a card. Stay with me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Now I'm gluing something on the outside just to kind of get his attention. And then in the inside, I'm going to put your... And guess what it's gonna say? Y'all know what it's gonna say. I'm one for a good title. What's it gonna say? Keep watching. All right, so I got my sign inside. I got my sign outside. Go ahead and accordion fold some strips of paper. And you don't need that much. See how long that is? That's way too long. It's not gonna be cute. You want at least 3 humps, if that makes sense. That's all you need for this. Don't get it extra long or it's going to ruin it. So once you get your 3 humps, you're going to glue your whatever words you want to describe your dad as. Look at what I'm describing my dad is. Your excellent. Don't you love it? I know it's not original. I'm pretty sure somebody's already thought of this before, but that's the only thing I could think of, and I thought it was super cute. I added some feathers, and look at how those letters, he's gonna love this, because who thinks of this, right? Yeah, I had this egg carton and I just wanted to do something really cool with it. So if y'all do this, please don't forget to tag me. I will be so stoked to see this. Now guys, thank you so much for watching all of my very cool, unique ideas. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and you stick around, because I'm always going to have more videos for you, because what I said, I love you. Have a happy Father's Day. Spend time with your daddy, and y'all should continue to watch my videos. So go ahead and click the left one to see one that I did before, and click the right one to see my most recent video. Bye.